This is the third visit to the pig farm in my previous 2 videos. Like I said in those, it is a working farm. They need pest control, they require pest control, it's essential. It's one of those paid jobs that I've got, so that's why I'm going there. It's part of the food supply chain and they're heavily infested at the moment. So here we go, some big rats on this one. I think it was 63 rats I had in 2.5 hours of being there in one spot. So here goes. Got there early just to see, take any of the birds out, see what activity in the daytime. Saw a bonus bird, so I thought I'd take him out. Nice clean headshot, straight down.
Yeah.
Bit of flapping around.
I got my fingers into you where you could find it.
Soon explode, just doing that bungee.
Yeah, it was headshot.
Then another one landed shortly after to investigate. Took him out quite quickly. Again, another headshot. Took him out clean. Then I got a bonus daytime rat. Again, I was looking at the activity. Spotted that one, came out, took him out. Now we're here. This is the first shot of the evening. 2 rats, quick succession. This actually set up the night for what was to be a very, very hectic session.
Stay there, hold on.
They were coming out the holes in the wall.
Hold on. Okay.
So just keeping a scan. Took that one out. Again, there's another hole in the wall. Took them out. I had quite a few from that hole on all my visits here. Nice big fat rat. You saw the other ones run off there. So this shed I'm shooting is about 20 yards long to the back. Then just to the right of it, outside the door, there was some. There you go. There's took one. There was some metal work, so they were in and out of there. Then back into the shed. Another one. Again, nice clean headshot kill. As you can see, the other dead ones on the floor, starting to get quite a pile. Then back outside, see another one coming. It was just eye shine everywhere. This is where the thermal really helped. Couldn't get away again. More bodies, more rats coming to investigate. Just kept coming. I took a few shots like this next one, into a field, through some bars. Again, confidence in my kit now has grown, so I could take shots like that. Knew I could thread it through the thin bars to hit it, so I did on quite a few occasions on this night. This next shot just shows what the Hades .22 pellets can do. Just watch the amount of blood that just comes out of this one. Just keeps dripping and dripping and dripping. Really does whack them hard. Straight instant kill. Do like those Hades pellets, and my Wolverine R seems to like them too. This next shot shows you how many rats there actually was. Watch this one. I hit the one, he goes down, and another one just follows him straight behind him. And there you go. It's just like a rotating system. One goes down, another one comes in. So took him out as well. This next shot really close, 9 yards, spotting with the thermal. Took a few out from this same hole. And there you go, that's what the ATM reticle does. The smart reticle adjusted it for me. I'm zeroed at 28 yards and it adjusted it down to 9 yards, and as you can see by his eye there, very, very accurate. Again, 9 yards. Really am impressed with that smart reticle. It is very accurate. Again, same hole, 9 yards. A big bleeder this one was. Shows what the Hades can do. Again, there you go.
Come back out. It's gonna come out of that top corner. Come on. Oh, on the thermal, yep, he's there. There's his feet.
This next shot, spotted this one in the field as he was just about to go and munch on one of his fallen brethren.
He's eating another one. And he's down.
Took him out.
Straight through the bars.
I think that was a dead rat. It might have been a dead hedgehog, but he was definitely going to eat it.
And
thought I'd try and zoom right in on this next one. Try and give a good slow motion. So I went to about 10 mag. Because he was just sitting there, just waiting. So let's see what the slow motion looks like. Nice clean kill there. Surprised the ATN again, just didn't lose much clarity, even more I zoomed in. And don't forget that smart reticle is FFP, so my point of impact stayed the same on that one. I left this next shot in because I just wanted to show you that I was standing still and I was shooting 30 yards in 360 degrees. So I missed this one. I just waited a bit too long. Then pan around, and you'll see me pan around again, staying in the same spot, just doing a circle, and guaranteed near enough to find another rat. That's why I kept it recording. Because they were just everywhere.
But your mate's not so lucky because I can see him. Stay there. Oh, yes. This one through the branches. Down.
It surprised me the amount of frequency at the same hole. All the metalwork and rubbish on the outside still produced all most of the night. They just kept coming out, following the same path really. This guy was one of the biggest of the night. It actually took 3 Hades to get him to put him down. Even though that one did go in his head, but he seemed to carry on jumping about a bit too much for my liking, so I decided to put another one in him. Just keeps moving, so I can't get a clean shot. So I wait, watch him, see where he's going to, wait for him to stop. He is nearly expired, but just want to make sure. So one to the head. And puts him down. He was one of the biggest of the night, really big. And so is this guy actually, this one at the back. He died just to the left there. There's a pig pen there, he ran into there, I found him with the thermal. Here's a picture of what I managed to collect. Some big rats there. So I'm going to go back up there again over the weekend, keep on top of them. I am making sure all my stuff's clean, I'm clean, sanitising between magazines. So I'm staying as safe as I possibly can. There's nobody else with me. So all of you stay safe, and another video coming soon.